Hi, this is Mike Mospin, and I want to thank you for entering your email on that last page. Shortly, in about 12 minutes, you're going to be getting an email with all the access details for that amazing software that you just got your hands on. It should be in your inbox, but check your spam folder and also your promotions tab just in case. Once you get that email, be sure and waitlist it so that you don't miss any of the training that's going to be coming your way that's going to teach you how to make this software into a business for yourself. You're onto something huge here. In a minute, you're going to be seeing a quick little demonstration of what the software can do, some of what the software can do. Plus, you're going to get to meet the creators, the Buddha and the Goat. The Buddha is the big, undeniable, dominant authority when it comes to software creation and social media marketing, Mr. Chad Nicely. Also, you're going to get to meet the Goat, the greatest of all time in marketing strategies, and copywriting, Mr. Perry Belcher. They're gonna blow your socks off. Prepare to have your mind blown. Watch what's coming up next.
Hi, this is Perry Belcher here with my partner Chad Nicely, and listen, whoever sent you to this page, however you got here, whoever referred you here, you should go find them and give them a huge kiss on the mouth, because you're about to get a giant gift. You're about to get a very valuable gift of a piece of software called PopLinks. This is a piece of software we built, spent hundreds of thousands of dollars developing, and we're going to give it to you for free so that you'll have the ability to have success like these folks.
Well, at this business workshop, I got 54 leads.
I got 58.
31. 22.
Got 97.
26 leads on the first day, which is awesome.
But in one day, actually less than one day,
And I got my first sale today.
I got 114 clicks, 84 opt-ins, and 4 sales.
My takeaway, that's the part I'm stuck on. Because I was asleep most of the time. Which I got 20 leads while I kind of dozed off during the workshop, and I still got the leads.
So what are they so excited about? What are people so crazy excited about? You're about to be able to find out. There's a button below this video right now where you'll be able to find out what everybody is so stoked about and why they're going so crazy over this little piece of software. And Chad's even went as far as building a CRM piece of software to go behind it for you. So tell them what a CRM is. What's a CRM?
Well, a CRM has to do with the follow-up, right? So the PopLinks software, you're going to be collecting leads. You're going to be getting emails. Well, you need a way to follow up with those emails, and usually you have to go out there and pay a lot of money to have an autoresponder. Well, we've built all of that in for you.
And what are we charging for that, Chad?
Nothing.
Nothing.
It's included with this offer, yeah. Because
So
we really want you to be successful, and this is what you need.
Exactly. So, and you're probably thinking, well, why are they going to give me all this stuff? Why are they going to give me this training? Why are they going to give me this software for? Why are they going to give me all this stuff? Because we're trying to build an army of people, an army of marketers, where we can go out and find the very best products to sell. Sometimes they'll be our products, sometimes they'll be other people's products, to feed to you the products that convert the highest, the products that pay the highest commissions, the products that make you the most money. And that's our ulterior motive for doing this. So we're building this army based around this software, and you'll understand when you're inside of it. It's too much to kind of give away right now, but as you get inside, you understand what everybody's doing and why everybody's so excited, how much, how successful people are being. At our workshop here, you're going to have the ability to take a look at this workshop that we did here in Las Vegas. At the workshop here, 90+% of the people in the workshop set up their pages and got leads while they were in the workshop. 14 people out of 40 people in the workshop actually made sales sitting there in the chair. And you get to do the exact same thing they did remotely, with exactly the same material, exactly the same system, exactly the same frameworks. But you get copy, you get all kinds of, you really need to just go click the button below right now and learn everything that's included and how you can get started and get involved and get success like the people that you saw above. Anything else to add, Chad?
No, no. But remember, check your email. You'll have access to PopLinks. And then if this is something you want to do, if you're like, yeah, I want to turn this into a business, then yeah, click the button down below and we got some more information on the other page.
Absolutely. Thanks.